Settler colonialism, a land grab and a new society. Settler colonialism is characterized by the acquisition of indigenous land and the establishment of new settler societies on that land. This process often involved the displacement, marginalization, and sometimes even the eradication of indigenous peoples. Land dispossession. The foundation of settler colonialism is the appropriation of land from indigenous peoples. This was often achieved through forced removal, broken treaties, or violent conflicts. Building a new home. Settlers sought to create a new society in the image of their home country, often replicating its social, political, and economic structures. This involved establishing farms, businesses, and institutions that were designed to serve the interest of the settlers. Erasing indigenous presence. Settler colonialism often seeks to erase the presence of indigenous peoples, both physically and culturally. This can involve forced assimilation, the destruction of cultural sites, and the suppression of indigenous languages and traditions. The erasure of indigenous peoples. The impact of settler colonialism on indigenous peoples has been profound and often devastating. In many cases, it has resulted in the loss of land, culture, and even life. Genocide. In some instances, settler colonialism has led to deliberate extermination of indigenous populations. This can be seen in the history of colonization in the Americas, Australia, and other parts of the world. Cultural assimilation. Even when not explicitly genocidal, settler colonialism often aimed to assimilate indigenous peoples into the dominant culture. This involved forcing them to adapt to the colonizer's language, religion, and customs, often leading to the loss of cultural identity and heritage. Marginalization and discrimination. Indigenous peoples have often been marginalized and discriminated against in settler societies. They have been denied access to land, resources, and opportunities, and have been subjected to systemic racism and violence. Indigenous resistance and resilience. Despite the immense challenges they have faced, indigenous peoples have shown remarkable resilience and resistance to settler colonialism. They have fought back against land disposition, cultural assimilation, and discrimination through various means. Armed resistance. Indigenous peoples have often resisted settler colonialism through armed struggle. Many historical examples exist, such as the Indigenous Wars in North America and the Frontier Wars in Australia. Legal and political battles. Indigenous activists and organizations have used legal and political channels to advocate for their rights, land claims, and self-determination. They have challenged discriminatory laws, fought for recognition of their sovereignty, and sought reparations for past injustices. Cultural revival. Indigenous communities have also engaged in efforts to revitalize their cultures, languages, and traditions. This includes initiatives to preserve traditional knowledge, promote indigenous languages, and reclaim cultural practices. International solidarity. Indigenous peoples have increasingly sought international support and solidarity in their struggles against colonialism. They have formed alliances with other indigenous groups as well as with human rights organizations and international bodies to raise awareness and advocate for their rights. The ongoing struggle for justice. The legacy of settler colonialism continues to affect indigenous peoples around the world. Many communities are still fighting for their land rights, cultural recognition, and self-determination. The struggle for justice and reconciliation is ongoing and complex, but it is also a testament to the strength, resilience, and determination of indigenous peoples. Understanding settler colonialism and its impact on indigenous peoples is essential for anyone seeking to understand the complexity of colonialism and its ongoing consequences. It is only through acknowledging the historical and ongoing injustices faced by indigenous communities we can work towards a more just and equitable future for all.